Hello everyone, welcome to AutoCetane. In this video, I will show you if you have your wires dangling around like this. These are the wires from my Dashcam. Then how to fix this, how to keep the look clean like the OEM finish. So let's get started. So what you need is this. This is a basic clip organizer which I will install it right in the middle of the sensor, the rain sensing wipers. So I will attach this clip here somewhere so that the clips remain intact in this place. Then I will tuck all this wire into the headliner so that I can achieve a clean OEM finish. So let me do it, then I will show it to you. Place the cable inside the organizer clip, then remove the double-sided 3M tape and then simply paste it to the windshield. There you go. Now as you can see, I've installed this and it blends well with the area. It's black in color, so there is no issue and it is not easily noticeable. And you can see I've routed my wires through this, and check this out, it's completely clean. And these organizing cables are very helpful. Now no matter how hard you drive, no matter in which terrain you drive, the cable will not come out easily. Now once you have fixed this piece here, all the cables get into the headliner. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.